Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I'm just going to give you some points about these. So yeah, let's go. So, first point, let me see where I can put this. Possibly, don't know. Yeah. Alright guys, so these are the points. So first point, Eddie Bouncer. Yes, the bouncer. Second point, Eddie Fun. Yes, they are fun. So, next point is this. Are they fun to play catch with? Yes, they are fun to play catch with. Fourth point. Are they fun? Right, I've said that one. Are they cool? Yes, they are cool. Can you juggle with them? Yes, you can juggle with them. Can you bang on the wall with them without them falling? I mean, banging as much. Yes, you can. So yeah guys, these are going to possibly be on sale for 10p tomorrow. So put your postcode into the description. This one's mine, by the way. Cool, innit? Yeah. So put your postcode into the description and hopefully you'll get one. Yeah, 10p or for free. Yeah, for free actually, for free. And you'll get one. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And yes, peace out.